Starting around 20 January 2024, torrential slide is exchanging at $32.37 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.62% in by and large most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Avax essentially has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $11,871,778,273, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $527,543,210 in an unobtrusive manner. This by and large makes torrential slide, Avax, most certainly positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2024, what will torrential slide truly be especially worth in 2024, or so they really thought? Is torrential slide a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024? Amazingly, will Avax cost most certainly outperform its record-breaking high, which is very huge? These essentially are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2024. As per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Avax cost essentially is supposed to commonly cross a by and large normal value level of $52.89, the normal sort of least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to especially be $51.12 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Avax can generally arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $59.65, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation January 2024. The cost for torrential slide in January 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $33.59 and $38.18, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. While the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $37.12, which most certainly is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation February 2024. Torrential slide cost is supposed to explicitly reach between $36.84 to $40.04 in February 2024, while the truly normal cost of Avax for the February stays around $38.61. Avax value gauge walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of torrential slide explicitly is determined to truly be at around a really least worth of $37.97 in a very huge manner. The torrential slide value worth can arrive at a by and large limit of $41.58, with the typical exchanging worth of $39.38 in United States dollars, which generally is genuinely huge. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation April 2024. The cost for torrential slide in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $39.54 and $43.16 in a sort of large manner. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $40.96, or so they thought. Torrential slide value forecast May 2024. The cost of torrential slide basically is anticipated to reach at least worth of $40.01 in May 2024. Which for the most part is very huge. The Avax cost could really arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $44.80, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $41.77 all through 2024, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the most extreme cost for torrential slide could essentially stretch around $46.89, so torrential slide, Avax, value expectation January 2024. The cost for torrential slide in January 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $33.59 and $38.18. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in June 2024 most certainly is $41.26, with a typical cost of $43.03 in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation July 2024. The cost for torrential slide in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $43.34 and $49.04 in a by and large significant manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $44.75, or so they essentially thought. Torrential slide value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the very greatest cost for torrential slide could fundamentally stretch around $50.83, so while the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to really be around $37.12 in a genuinely significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in August 2024 certainly is $45.13 with a by and large normal cost of $46.54, which is very huge. Avax value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of torrential slide generally is estimated to, in every practical sense, be at around a kind of least worth of $46.17, exhibiting that moreover. The minimum cost of Avax in June 2024 is $41.26 with a typical cost of $43.03, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The torrential slide value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at an exceptionally limit of $52.69, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $47.94 in United States dollars, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, torrential slide cost especially is conjectured to essentially arrive at an outright most reduced cost of $48.09, so the torrential slide value worth can arrive at an especially limit of $52.69, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $47.94 in United States dollars, which certainly is very critical. The Avax cost could truly arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $55.09, with the sort of typical expected cost around $49.85, which basically is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation November 2024. The cost of torrential slide most certainly is fundamentally anticipated to explicitly reach at a very least worth of $49.58 in November 2024 in a significant way. The Avax cost could explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $57.08, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $51.35 all through 2024, showing that while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $40.96 in a by and large significant manner. Torrential slide value expectation December 2024. Torrential slide cost especially is supposed to for the most part reach between $51.12 to $59.65 in December 2024, while the typical cost of Avax for the December in a real sense stays around $52.89 torrential slide past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been essentially diminished by 3.78% in its in every practical sense current worth, showing how by and large is torrential slide a by and large wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024 in a very significant manner. Assuming we truly look at the sort of current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in an essentially significant manner. Torrential slide generally is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, or so they for the most part thought. The Avax truly is down to nearly 9.